Shamina.
Maybe I am not making a speech. I just want to add, sir, I just want to add one thing. Whatever happened with Senator Palwasha was very unfortunate. My only request to you, and I really appreciate Minister Saab for standing up and saying the words that he did, but sir, we are setting up a very wrong example if we let this go just with an apology. I would leave it to the cabinet to do whatever they need to do, but this is wrong because we will allow other people, other ministers, other officials, other bureaucrats to disrespect anybody, let alone a woman. Sir, it is wrong. हम बाहर अपने हक मांग रहे होते हैं, इधर हमारी इज्जत नहीं हो तो हम बाहर क्या कराएंगे? I'm sorry, sir. I think you should. I think मेरी minister साहब से request होगी कि I don't think we should let it go with क्योंकि अदीम खान साहब से ये सवाल बहुत दफ़ा कर चुके हैं. इस हाउस में N25 के ऊपर बहुत सवाल हुए थे. 10 साल के हमने करप्शन का डेटा उनके पास भेजा था. They denied it. अब जब अगर कमेटी के अंदर वो पूछ रही हैं तो आप पोलाइटली जवाब दे सकते हैं. Obviously there is something hidden that you are attacking a woman's personal whatever, right or wrong. You can't say all these things in front of a bureaucracy, sir. मैं कहीं इज्जत और मीडिया बैठा हुआ है. If we allow this today, this is going to continue with us someone, and then they grow on each other. ये तो एक one person has done it, the next one again will apologize and get away. क्या apology will cover up for the insults that she's gone through? That's not fair, sir. I'm sorry. I would not only get this off with an apology.